Year 2020 was supposed to be the big blockbuster year for Hollywood and Bollywood movies, but instead, what really became a blockbuster hit were the OTT platforms, and thank God for them that we could get through the pandemic and lockdowns in our respective countries. Which is why I have come up with the top 5 OTT shows of India. So here it is. Let me take you through all 5 of them one by one. Hi, this is Ronak Kotecha from Dubai. Kuch yaad aaya? This is exactly how Seema Taparia would introduce herself to her prospective clients. Hi, this is Seema Taparia from Mumbai. And this kind of became one source of so many memes, and this show called Indian Matchmaking is on number 5, rightly so, because this show is so cringeworthy, so regressive, but so hilarious and funny that you just can't stop watching it. I started watching it before everyone else because I had to review it for the Times of India. I thoroughly enjoyed it. क्योंकि इस शो में इतनी सारी चीज़ें बताई about us Indians जो हम करते तो है पर हम बताते नहीं हैं. Like for example, asking women to compromise when they are going to get married and expecting them to do all the घर का काम by their prospective mother-in-laws. And above all of that, fixing bride and grooms in the big market called the marriage market. And Smita Taparia became like the leading light of all the marriage makers, and she actually put it out right there for all the Indian aunties who are always asking, beta, shadi kab karoge? On the number 4 of best OTT shows from India is Arya. इसके 3 कारण हैं. Sushmita Sen, Sushmita Sen, Sushmita Sen. Well, she made a comeback with this, and not on the big screen but on the small screen, but she set it on fire. And needless to say why, because Sushmita Sen is a seasoned actor who has never got her due. लेकिन आर्या के साथ she got ample chance to show her skills after a long time. और क्योंकि ये एक series है and it was based on the Spanish and the Dutch series called Penosa, she really had a chance to prove that what a fine actor that she is. And I'm not the only one saying this. Sushmita also won the Filmfare Award for this OTT series, and rightly so once again. On number 3 is Patal Lok. It's made by Anushka Sharma and it's streaming on Amazon Prime Video. Well, this is the kind of series that had to be on this list because of Jaideep Ahlawat. Unki acting was a revelation in this. It was a slow burn, of course, but it really showed the politics of our country, the state of the politics of our country, the journalism that's gone to the dogs right now, and everything else that's wrong with our society. It very succinctly showed that. लेकिन इसके साथ ही इस सीरीज़ में बहुत सारी कंट्रोवर्सीज़ का भी सामना किया, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे गुड कंटेंट कैन नॉट बी स्टॉप्ड बाय एनीथिंग एंड इट नीड्स टू बी वॉच्ड. On number 2 is Mirzapur 2. Well, again, this is the kind of show that had to make it to this list क्योंकि इस शो में वो सब कुछ है जो एक power packed OTT series में होना चाहिए. It has suspense, it has unpredictability, it has the kind of characters that you can not only relate with but you can also identify with. You might want to hate them, you might want to kill them, you are very angry with them but you cannot ignore them. और इस शो में बहुत सारे आइकॉनिक कैरेक्टर्स निकले, जैसे एक तो कालीन भैया का जो पंकज त्रिपाठी का कैरेक्टर है, अली फजल का कैरेक्टर है, दिव्येंदु शर्मा का जो मुन्ना का कैरेक्टर है, बट above all of them, the 2 people who really walked away with all the credits this time, especially the meme credits, were Kulbhushan Kharbanda and Beena Tripathi. The characters and storyline was so interesting and it fueled so many memes कि मुझे शो से ज़्यादा उनके memes देखने में मज़ा आया. You can read my entire review of Mirzapur 2 in the Times of India. इसका भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है. And on number 1, no points for guessing, it's Scam 1992. ये series broke all the records on not just Indian OTT but across all the platforms. It was trending when it came and it became a talk of the town and continued to be so for a very long time. इसकी IMDb की rating भी record breaking है. और इसके साथ ही there are so many reasons why this show became what it became, especially because of the performances and the real story that it showed. Pratik Gandhi is an actor that was born after this particular show on the OTT platform and became an overnight star. But ये जो actor है वो already गुजराती stage पर बहुत ज़्यादा popular है. One of the reasons why the show did so well was because it really showed you what happened with Harshad Mehta's life from a very different perspective. हालांकि public की नज़रों में हर्षद मेहता एक villain है, लेकिन इस show में he was shown like a hero and it really worked because you could actually identify with this character. At no point did you really want हर्षद मेहता to die. और जो book लिखी गई थी जिस पर ये show बना है उसको पूरी की पूरी इस show में उतार दिया गया. Nothing was left behind. The show had everything that you wanted to see. It had facts, it had entertainment, it had relatable characters and it had kick-ass performances. ये शो भी मैंने टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के लिए रिव्यू किया एंड वॉच्ड इट मच बिफोर ऑल ऑफ यू डिड एंड आई वाज रियली फॉर्चुनेट टू वॉच इट एंड आई न्यू व्हेन आई वाज वाचिंग इट दैट दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ शो दैट इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक रिकॉर्ड्स बट आई डिडंट नो दैट इट विल बिकम व्हाट इट बिकेम. इस शो का जो लास्ट एपिसोड है उसका स्क्रीनर मुझे आया नहीं था, वो नेक्स्ट डे आने वाला था. but I was so impatient that I couldn't sleep after watching the show, and I wanted to watch that last episode. And the last episode is what really got me going. क्योंकि last episode का जो last scene है, especially when Harshad Mehta is being taken to the hospital, and then what happens, I don't want to give a spoiler even now, is what really touched my heart. And this is the scene that actually showed कि एक villain में भी एक बहुत बड़ा hero हो सकता है. And the way it was shown, the way it was directed by Hansal Mehta, hats off to him. The only reason that I rated the show a little lower is because it had too many references from the stock market and also too many Gujarati phrases which I could understand, but I wasn't sure if everybody else who doesn't speak Gujarati or understand it would understand in the first place. You can read my entire review of Scam 1992 in the Times of India and the rating as well. The link is in the description. So those were the top 5 OTT Indian shows. Let me know which are your top 5 picks, and if you agree with my review of these shows and what I said in this video. But before I close, I want to thank someone. The clothes that I am wearing and the place that I am standing in doesn't belong to me, of course, it belongs to her. Elaine, thank you so much. And I just wanted to tell them where you are from and what you do, because everybody would like to know a little bit about you.
First of all, thank you so much, and you look very nice on that
Thanks.
clothing. And thank you for also supporting Savannah. Savannah is a brand which is showcasing cultural things. I am from Senegal myself, I'm very proud. So I'm very happy to bring an African touch in the fashion. And as you see, we can all wear African fabric and we include it in the fashion. So I'm very proud to also represent that. And I invite you all to come and visit us in our
If you are in Dubai, you can come here. It's the first stall at this particular place, which is called
the Studio by Cultural Couture, where we're also having different brands of bags and jewelry. So
in Dubai, near Dubai Mall. This is just right next
in
to
front
Dubai
of
Mall.
the fountain.
Yeah, in front of the fountain. You can enjoy the view, and you can shop, and you can also have coffee above right here. Very good
Exactly.
coffee. Yeah.
So
thank you so much
thank
once
you
again.
so much.
Yeah,
Thank
bye.
you.
Namaste.
Namaste.